What if I told you that just 30 minutes of exercise a day could add years to your life? Stay with me to discover how this simple habit can transform your health.
Welcome to Exercise and Health Benefits. Did you know that regular exercise is one of the most powerful medicines available? And it's completely free. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 days a week can significantly improve your physical and mental health. Exercise strengthens your heart, improves blood circulation, and helps lower blood pressure. It also helps control blood sugar levels, making it an important part of preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. Regular physical activity helps you maintain a healthy weight, reduces harmful body fat, and lowers the risk of heart disease, stroke, certain cancers, and osteoporosis. It also strengthens your muscles, bones, and joints, improving flexibility, balance, and coordination. As we grow older, these benefits can help prevent falls and maintain independence.
But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise also boosts your mental well-being. During physical activity, your brain releases endorphins and other natural chemicals that improve mood, reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Regular exercise can also improve memory, concentration, sleep quality, and overall energy levels. The best part is that you don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership. Brisk walking, cycling, swimming, jogging, dancing, yoga, or even climbing stairs and gardening are excellent ways to stay active. Experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on at least 2 days each week. So, every step you take today is an investment in a healthier tomorrow. Start small, stay consistent, and let exercise become a lifelong habit. Greetings!